Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this video, I will discuss about what is difference between Bean annotation and Autowired annotations in Springboard. So let's get started. Bean annotation used for object creation. Used for object creation scenario. So where it will used. So coming to scenario, if a class is predefined, and we want to create an object for that. We want to create object for that. Here scenario, if a class is predefined and you want to create an object for that. So coming to example public class sub security class is there. Bean methods are used in at configuration class. Inside configuration class, we are using the bean methods. For example, public return type should be class type. Suppose database, you can change database configuration. So here you can do data source, get data source. You can return new data source. If any parameters are there, you can pass some parameters. If any parameters are there, you can pass and you can annotate it with at bean annotation. At bean annotation. Here, what is bean annotation? At bean annotation. What is the used for object creation? So now if a class is predefined and we want to create an object for that. Example, bean methods are used in configuration class. This is configuration class. We are using the inside configuration class bean method. Here close. Next, here this is bean method where it used. So this bean annotation where it is used. Let's understand this bean method where it is used. This annotation used for this annotation. This annotation is allowed at the method level only. At the method level only. Allowed at the method level only. So where it is applicable, this annotation applicable only on method level. Let's verify it is true or not. Control Shift D. Here bean. Here package org Spring Framework context annotation. Here bean. Multiple beans are there, so you can choose correct one. Spring Framework context dot annotation. Open. Here it will add element type is equal to method. It is allowed at method level. So what is at bean annotation? It is used for object creation scenario. If a class is predefined and we want to create an object for that. So we want to create object for that. If class is predefined, we want to create object for that. Example, here example, inside configuration class, we are using mostly inside configuration class, we are using bean annotations. So this is the one. Next, at Autowired. Another one, Autowired. At Autowired annotation used for injecting a linking injecting a linking one class with another What is the use of automated linking one class with another or injecting one class with another? Scenario here. Scenario if one class used as a variable in another class. If one class used as a variable in another class. Here scenario. If one class used as as a variable in another class. So next example, suppose public class service is there, service class at service is there, inside some logic is there, some logic is there. So this same we are using in control C. So some controller class is there, service test class is there. So service test class is, and it is a controller test class. So it is a at controller inside controller class some logic is there. So private we are injecting service test T. So at auto voided is called as a variable is called as a variable is called as a variable. This is the example where it will allow here where it used where it used where it used here where it used. So this annotation is allowed at this annotation allowed at one is field level. It is allowed at field second one constructor, third one setter method, fourth one parameter. Here some recommendations are there. Here out of these some recommendations are there. Parameter recommended to use field injection. Recommended to use field injection. Recommended to use field injection. Let's verify the auto where it is allowed. Control Shift D. Here, see ORG Spring Framework Beans Factory annotated. Open this one. It is allowed at constructor level. It is allowed at method level. That means setter method level, parameter level, field level. So here, what is difference between at Bean and at Autowired annotations in Springboard? At Bean annotation is used for object creation. So it is for object creation. Coming to here, at Autowired annotation is used for injecting or linking one class with another. Next scenario, if a class is predefined and we want to create an object for that. If a class is predefined and we want to create an object for that scenario. A class, if one class used as a variable in another class, if one class used as variable in as a variable in another class. Examples here, inside configuration class, mostly inside configuration class, we are using the Bean annotations. At Bean annotations. Here, examples here, this service class we are writing as a variable in controller class. It is all about difference between at Bean annotation and at Autowired annotation in Springboard. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel.